Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing an Ichimoku Cloud Chart market review. We've got the SP 500 Index daily chart. We can see the market after becoming quite extended from the top in the cloud, as we highlighted with the last update. The market's now pulling back and consolidating its move, and is on its way to retest these old cloud chart support levels at the top end of the cloud, as well as the bottom end of the cloud. So there is downside risk towards this 3655 level, and that coincides well with these old support levels where the market rebounded. But firstly, it's testing the old highs here, which should now being tested to see if they're good support. But there is still downside risk to the bottom end of the cloud here, and then a potential rebound from there. Price action need to stay above the cloud to remain bullish, so that is absolutely critical. The picture is a little bit different on the 4-hour chart. We can see price action slice through the bottom in the cloud, critical for the S&P to regain this cloud chart level here of 3729. Because the outlook changes from bullish to bearish on the 4-hour chart if we have more price action below the bottom end of the cloud. So it's absolutely critical for the S&P to regain this level. And if this level is not regained, it means this level is a new resistance zone for the S&P. So watch out very closely. It's a critical week ahead for the S&P to close back above the top end of the cloud. Otherwise, it remains in a bearish outlook. If we look at the hourly, you can see it clearly rolled over now. Sliced to the bottom end of the cloud. These were short selling opportunities from a cloud chart perspective. We're now testing. We did not find support there at the 3744 level. It did rebound there once, then ran into trouble at the top end of the cloud, then sold off heavily. Now it's testing this cloud chart support level at 3716 with downside risk to 3696, as well as this bottom end cloud chart level here of 3681. So watch out. These are key levels to watch out for this coming week on a hourly cloud chart basis. But there's short term, if we find a rebound from these levels, there's short term swing trade opportunities back up to the bottom end of the cloud, because this cloud is now indicating that we have somewhat of a bearish outlook on the hourly chart. But if you just go back to the daily, just to recap, it's critical for the market to find support at the top end of the cloud. If not, then there's downside risk towards the bottom end of the cloud here at 3531. So these are the levels to watch out for Q1. Front end cloud chart support level, top end of the cloud, is absolutely critical for the S&P to rebound from that level. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.